Yeah. Shoot, it's cold, Tiffany.
Oh my God.
Why don't you make a snowman?
Okay.
Well, you can do that later, Tiffany. Because you don't have right gloves on.
Is that cold?
It's not cold. Right here, you cannot make a snowman over there because mommy will gonna go out and you're supposed to do
So deep.
Yeah, it's so deep, huh? Yeah, this is 3 days in a row snowing will be sucks. Tiffany, do it and close to the pine tree. Do you know how to do a snowman?
Yeah.
Well, you can wait when Papa's gonna show you.
So we make pins?
Yep. Welcome to Nebraska. We're having a blizzard. Huh?
Papa's snowing you.
Don't destroy it. Right here. Don't destroy the snow because you're gonna make a snowman, right?
Okay, snowing you?
Yeah, go ahead.
How over there?
Okay, go ahead. Because it's kind of deep.
I know. Whoa, whoa.
Ooh, cold. If I'm gonna get sick, Tiffany, this is...
Look.
Okay, later, Tiffany, okay?
It is snowing you.
Oh, yeah? To the driveway.